Once order is ready to punch, click on Print KOT, and you can print the KOT by selecting Print and select Back for redirect to the main screen. This print option can be different for the direct printing and pop-up printing. For reordering for the same table, select the running order, select New KOT, the item cart will open, choose the desired item, and print the KOT for the reorder. Only the reordering item will print on the KOT, but the amount will be added to bill. For making payment from existing order, select Order tab from top, select Running Order, and add payment. If you want to make direct bill and payment, then select Bill and Payment option. The payment box will pop up. You may choose various payment option. For cash, enter the received amount from the customer. It will calculate, and it will show how much change you need to return to the customer. Select the complete payment and print the bill. It's easy and so simple.